let's get into it and review the basics. So the basic thing you need to know is what is a resume. And if you already know, you're on the right track. But I am going to tell you the general definition of a resume, and I'm gonna tell you my definition. I guarantee you probably like my definition of a resume, okay? No, the formal definition of a resume is a 1 to 2 page document that has your name, your contact information, your educational background, any training. It can have your business or your professional experience and your qualifications, your knowledge, your skills, and ability. So basically, it is a marketing tool. My definition of a resume is that your resume is a billboard. So remember, it is a marketing tool. So think about a billboard. It is meant to draw attention, to the need of whatever the company has on there, what is you're applying to. So it's meant to draw attention. So if I was looking for HR manager jobs or something, I'm like, oh yeah,